get to it. Let's get to it. I'm gonna show you how to make a DIY CDI box. So if your wiring harness is destroyed on your four-wheeler and you have no idea where to start on it, I would suggest that you get one of these. It's a cheap little two-stroke CDI harness. This is what it's going to look like. And it's pretty easy to put together. But the thing about this wiring harness is, or CDI box, is it's direct current, not AC. So it will have to hook to the battery at all times. Alright, the first thing I need to do is identify the two wires coming from the pickup, right? Alright, so now you took everything out of the box, you put it together. Black and yellow, green to green, goes to the pull pack. I got it on the other side. Alright, now you got all these wires, you're wondering what to do with it. Okay? I cut the ends of them off and tuck those little black and white wires back down into that sleeve, because those you don't need. Alright. So the black and red wire, that's going to go straight to the positive side of the battery. Alright. You got this green wire. You got actually 3 green wires. One green wire goes to the negative side of the battery. One green wire goes to the other side of the wire coming out of the pickup, which would be that black and white one. You got this blue wire that's going to go to the blue wire on the pickup. And then you got one green wire left. That's going to be bolted straight to the engine. Alright. So here's what we got. One green going to the engine. One green going to the black and white coming from the pickup. The blue coming from the CDI goes to the blue going to the pickup. Red going to the positive side of the battery, one green going to the negative side of the battery. I didn't come up with this idea. It was actually Harvey Spooner. I'm going to put a link to his channel. Go subscribe to him, show him some love, give him the credit that he deserves for doing this. I was just doing it in a much shorter video, you know, because most people don't have time to watch a 20-minute video. They just want to get their stuff fixed and get back on the trail, or get back in the woods, or get back to work. And this will work with almost any engine. The only thing bad about it is it's a 2-stroke. It's going to spark every rotation. You can actually get a 4-stroke CDI from a rolling wrench. I'll put a link down to that too. Alright, so now you know how to make a DIY CDI box if the wire harness on your ATV is destroyed. There you go.